Hello children, today we will draw again picture with the poster color and our topic will be like hot air balloon. Okay, what you have to do? See, first you have to make circle. From the up it will be like proper circle and from the down it will be like a balloon shape. Exact, it will be like a balloon shape only, okay, but it will be not like a pointed. We will make line like this. You can make it more broad. Okay. Now at the down you have to make gas cylindrical shape. Like this, and at the down basket. And from here okay, like this, and in this we will erase these extra lines. Now from here we will make the lines. Understood? This is the drawing. After making the drawing, you have to erase it very lightly. Means you have to erase that the picture should be visible very lightly. Now see, picture is very light. You have to take poster colors: brown, black, chrome yellow, light green, orange, dark red. If you don't have dark red, we will do with the black. Okay, then medium blue and dark blue and white. Okay, now first you have to do white as a background. First you have to take water and wet your background. Don't do inside the picture. Now take white color and do it. Now you have to take medium blue and mix with the white. So I have taken medium blue and I am mixing with the white. See, I done blue. Okay, now you have to take dark blue and light blue. Okay, to take the light blue, okay, and apply here. Half only, don't do full. Okay, then you have to take the dark blue color and from the down to up you have to mix the color. Now wash your brush, make it dry, and now mix it. Now slightly white color you have to dip to your brush. See how much I taken, and from the top you have to mix the white in the lightest blue. Again wash your brush, make it dry and mix it properly. See, 3 colors we mix it. Okay, now in this we will do green and yellow and white. Okay, so first you have to take light green color and do it in all, in this line only. Now wash your brush, take it chrome yellow and apply in the middle of the green color. Now wash your brush and take it white. See, understood? In this we will do yellow, orange and white. Now in this first we will take yellow as the base color. Okay, now take it orange and do it from down. Now wash your brush, take it white color and do it from top. Now wash your brush again and make it dry, and now mix it. See how I am moving my brush up to down like this. You also have to move your brush. See, like this. Okay, now in this we will do orange, white and red. Now first you have to take orange as a base color in this. Now you have to take poster red and from down you have to mix it. Till here. Okay, now wash your brush and take it white color and from top do it. Again wash your brush and make it dry and mix it properly. Okay, now in last one we will do red and black. I am taking this dark color red. Okay, if you don't have this, so you can go for the poster red also. I am doing this as a base. take little black and do it from down. See how much I taken black, okay? This much only, and wash your brush and then make it dry and mix it. Understood the mixing? Now next step we will go in the cylinder. On that you have to do any color. I am doing like grey color. First I am taking white color on it, and then I will mix black with white. Okay, now we will do yellow on top of the cylinder like this. Understood? Then we will go for the in basket. We will take first brown as a base. See, two browns were there, one is yellow orchard and one is brown, so you have to take brown only. Brown color you have to do as a base. In brown you can mix black to make it more dark. See, like this, if it's come dark, to wash your brush and mix it. The details we will give with the black pen or black sketch pen. If you don't have that, you can directly give with the black poster color also. Okay, now the final we will do, we will take white and we will make clouds like tapping. See here, you have to tap your brush. and you have to give in the form of cloud. See, like this, you have to give other side and you can give it, but I don't have this space, so I am not giving that side. If you have space, so you can give it that and on the top also. Okay, now the detail we will do with the black pen or black sketch pen. This line and all we will give with the black sketch pen or black pen. See, I given the detailing, outline direct in the cylindrical. Here I done like a candle shape. In the basket I given like this pattern. You can give anything. In the cloud you can make like this. Okay. And last step, after drying this, you have to take white color. You have to make lines. Like this. Okay. Like this you have to make lines that will be visible. Okay, like this. See, basket also. Like this. Okay. Any other hot air balloon also you can draw it, but I need mixing in the balloon. Okay, either you can do mixing in the basket also, but your topic will be like hot air balloon only. You can make different drawing also. Okay children, like this you can make any scenery, background, trees, you can draw it, anything in the detail also you can go. Hope so you like it. Thank you.